Chicken leg piece win, med potato half cup water salt. Cook till 3-4 whistles. Mashed potatoes, shred the chicken from the bones. Grate 1 cheese cube, add oregano, chili flakes, soya sauce, black pepper powder, salt. Make a shape like this. Maida 3 TBSP, add chicken stock and make a paste. Maida paste. Breadcrumbs, corn flour. Roll the chicken in dry corn flour dust, the access powder. Then dip in paste and coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in hot oil till golden brown. Ready to eat, enjoy.